Hello, I'm Nate. We had developed a new feature to help our customer to save energy during the vending operation. Let me show you how it works.
Open our mobile phone management system, click Energy, and then we select a machine. Here we can see we can turn off LED temperature and screen. Let me show you how I turn off the LED lighting. Click off, save. Now the light is off. Now I will show you how to turn off the screen. Click off, save. Now we see the screen is off. So, this will enable us to save energy at night. We can turn it on at working hour. Just click on. The light will be on. And the screen will be back. Thank you.
If you are interested in this feature, please contact us for more information. Thank you.
Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail. Micron Smart Vending.